Mastering English, Understanding Makeup Application. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, makeup application. This might seem like a simple term, but it's packed with cultural and linguistic nuances that are fascinating to learn. So, let's dive in and understand every aspect of this commonly used phrase. Makeup application refers to the process of applying cosmetics to one's face. Makeup, as you might know, is a collection of products such as lipstick, mascara, foundation, and more, used to enhance or alter a person's appearance. The term application here implies the action of putting on these products. It's a noun phrase used commonly in both casual and professional beauty contexts. The phrase can be used in various scenarios. For example, in a beauty salon, a customer might ask for a professional makeup application. This means they want a makeup artist to apply makeup on them. It can also be used casually, like saying, "I need to do my makeup application before the party," which means someone plans to apply makeup themselves. Makeup application is not just a routine. It's an art and can vary greatly across different cultures. In some cultures, makeup application is a daily ritual, while in others, it's reserved for special occasions. The styles and products used also differ, reflecting the diversity and richness of cultural expressions through makeup. While the phrase is straightforward, the act itself can be quite complex. Here are some tips. Start with a clean face. Always cleanse your face before applying makeup. Use the right tools. Brushes, sponges, and even fingers play distinct roles in makeup application. Learn the basics. Understand the purpose of each makeup item. Foundation evens skin tone, mascara enhances eyelashes, etc. Practice makes perfect. Like any skill, mastering makeup application takes practice. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, makeup application, and its various aspects. Remember, language learning is not just about words but understanding the context and culture behind them. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful language learning videos.